Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics that often fix intermittent mics. Physically inspect cables and connectors for bends or loose ends. Replace the cable if you see damage. Then confirm power. Enable 48V Phantom for condensers or fresh batteries for wireless. Once done, open your operating system's input settings and select the microphone as the default device, set input volume above half, and test a quick recording to confirm initial signal. Next, focus on software and routing because drivers cause random dropouts. Update or reinstall your audio interface or USB mic drivers and firmware. If a recent update caused issues, roll back temporarily. Make sure the app you use has microphone permission and that no other program holds exclusive control. Once done, check sample rate and buffer size. Match the app and OS to 44, 1K or 48K, and increase the buffer to reduce glitches while monitoring latency. Finish by isolating the problem. Plug the mic into another computer or phone to confirm whether the mic or your system is at fault. Try a different USB port or a powered hub to eliminate power or port instability. Once done, reset audio settings or create a clean user profile and test again. If you still see random failures, capture logs, note when it happens, and use that data when contacting support. This makes troubleshooting far faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.